Hello, everyone. Carmine from New York here, photo class number 680. Before we begin, hit the subscribe button, thumbs up button, comment below, and become a member of this channel. There's a link in the description. Okay, so if you were an art student and you were studying in France or in Manhattan or anywhere around the world, your art professor would insist and demand that you spend many, many hours in art museums to study the work of others. And what this does is it puts in your mind, oh, okay, so that leading line, that color, that shadow, that contrast, that cropping is what makes a good photograph. So what I want to do is I want to show you in the next few minutes my photographs, all of which I've sold around Manhattan in different galleries on consignment. And that's how I make a living, aside from being a photojournalist, being sent out on news shoots. So enjoy these photographs that I've taken. And remember, they're here to inspire you, whether you're a young photographer or a photographer just starting your journey. And you want to put the pieces together of what makes a good photograph. Watch them and just keep in mind those things that I mentioned: leading lines, shadows, the cropping, the color palette, the color choice, and the choice of where I stood in the shoot to get a proper angle. All right, enjoy the photographs, get inspired.
Sun is falling, speed in the black. Nobody driving, we're in the back. To the end of the world. Tides will rise, tides will fall.
me to the other side.